Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. Today we will study chapter 3rd Taste of India of section A, Our Country. In this chapter we will come to know about exotic flavors of authentic Indian cuisine. Authentic means pramanik asli, with a few delicacies from north and south India. Delicacies means najakat komalta. Each dish of each state boosts its own distinctive flavor and aroma. Dear children, we all like to eat tasty food. Nowadays, we eat to prefer junk food and fast food. But junk food is unhealthy and high in calories from sugar or fat, with little dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, or other important forms of nutritional values. Means junk food has little nutritions, and nutritions are necessary for our physical and mental growth. Here, I want to tell you that our Indian dishes are rich in nutritions and tasty also. In this chapter, we will come to know about recipes, means process of making dish of different regions of India. Let us start the chapter, The Taste of India. We all love food. Different states and regions of India have their own unique recipes and style of cooking. Let us travel around the country and taste some mouth-watering delicacies. I will give you some clues, hints, and recipes of famous dishes of India's states. You will find out the name of that state by the help of name of other famous dishes. Let us start. Name the state. Let us first drop into this tiny seaside state and enjoy some sannas, type of idli, sorpotel, pork preparation in vinegar, and a sweet dish called babanika. First, just peep into seaside state of India. Sannas like idli and sorpotel dishes are also famous. Famous sweet dish of this state is babnika. The name of that state is Goa. See, this is the picture of babnika. Our next stop is God's own country. Here we relish a delicious meal of appam and kojirachi, a coconut-based chicken curry. After that, we enjoy a generous helping of paisam, a dessert. Stop to next state. Appan and kojirachi are delicious food of this state. Paisam is famous sweet dish of this state. Name of this state is Kerala. See, this is the picture of payasam. From the south, let us travel north, where we enjoy eating yakni, lamb and yogurt, Rogan Josh, Methi Chaman, and a sweet dish called Shufta. This is the picture of Rogan Josh, this is the picture of Methi Chaman. And the famous sweet dish of this state is Shufta. Okay, now move to north. Mouth-watering dishes of this state are Yakhni, Rogan Josh, and Methi Chaman. Sweet dish of this state is Shufta. The name of this state is Maharashtra. This is the picture of Shufta. It's Navratri and we are invited for a sumptuous meal of Vagha Kerala, bhat and khatta mug, followed by a sweet dish called Mohan Thal. All of you know about Mohan Thal, and the Mohan Thal is a famous dish of this state. The name of this state is Gujarat. And see, this is the picture of Mohan Thal. Off to his northeastern state where we order Jati Lao Tenga Anza, fish curry with riz gourd and potato pithika. To satisfy our sweet tooth, we enjoy a bowl of Kamlayar Payas. Kamlayar Payas, famous dish of this state, and the name of this state is Assam. Yes, move to next state. This North Indian state serves the best malai kofta. All of you know about malai kofta, masaledar murg and saag gosht. And who can forget the delicious gajar ka halwa? Gajar ka halwa, all of you know, we eat gajar ka halwa in winters. The name of this state is Punjab. Back down south, we have Mulligatawny soup, a dish made of red lentils and black peppercorns, Cheti Chand chicken, and Paniyaram sweet idli, meaty idli. And the name of this state is Tamil Nadu. After this, we sit down for a meal of amrood ki sabji, panch mela, and lal mas with a decent helping of gatta pulao. Panch mela ki dal means mixture of 5 cereals. And the name of this state is Rajasthan. Students, I think all of you have enjoyed this chapter. By today's chapter, Taste of India, you have come to know about dishes of different states of India. I hope you have enjoyed the chapter and also feel the taste of some mouth-watering dishes. Thanks and have a nice day.